In modern workplaces, collaboration tools are no longer just supporting equipment. They are becoming the center of how teams communicate, plan, and execute ideas. A large format all-in-one interactive display like the Yealink MeetingBoard 86 Pro is built exactly for that shift, aiming to replace traditional fragmented meeting room setups with a single unified system. At first glance, the most obvious feature is the scale. An 86-inch 4K display immediately transforms any room into a digital collaboration space. It is large enough to ensure visibility from across a conference room while still maintaining sharp detail for users sitting close to the screen. Whether it is spreadsheets, presentations, design mockups, or live video calls, the resolution ensures everything remains crisp and readable without strain. But the real value of this type of system goes far beyond display size. It is designed as a fully integrated collaboration hub, meaning it combines multiple essential tools into one device. Instead of relying on separate projectors, external cameras, microphones, whiteboards, and laptops, everything is centralized into a single platform. This reduces complexity and removes one of the biggest issues in modern meeting rooms: setup friction. In many workplaces, a significant amount of meeting time is wasted just getting technology to work properly. Connecting cables, switching inputs, fixing audio issues, and syncing devices often takes longer than the actual discussion. A system like this aims to eliminate that entire process. The idea is simple: enter the room, power on the device, and start collaborating immediately. Interaction is another major part of the experience. The touchscreen functionality allows multiple users to interact with the display simultaneously. Teams can write, draw, annotate documents, and move elements directly on the screen. This creates a more natural and dynamic workflow where ideas can be developed in real time instead of being passively presented. It essentially transforms meetings from one-way presentations into collaborative sessions. The digital whiteboarding experience is particularly important. Traditional whiteboards have limitations. They are temporary, difficult to share, and impossible to preserve without manual effort. A digital whiteboard solves this by allowing everything to be saved, edited, and shared instantly. This is especially useful for brainstorming sessions, planning discussions, and strategy development where ideas evolve quickly. Another key component is built-in conferencing capability. With integrated cameras and microphones, the system supports hybrid communication environments where in-person and remote participants can interact seamlessly. Audio pickup is designed to capture voices clearly across a room, while video integration ensures remote participants can see the meeting space without requiring additional external hardware. This kind of integration is especially valuable in hybrid work setups. Teams are often distributed across multiple locations, and communication tools need to bridge that gap effectively. Instead of relying on separate conferencing bars or external webcams, everything is built into the same system, reducing compatibility issues and improving reliability. Performance-wise, the internal computing system is designed to handle everyday collaboration tasks smoothly. This includes video conferencing, whiteboarding, file annotation, and presentation handling without needing a connected computer. However, for more advanced workflows, external device connectivity is still available, giving flexibility for different use cases. Visibility and brightness also matter significantly in real-world environments. Meeting rooms are rarely controlled lighting spaces. Natural light from windows, artificial overhead lighting, and reflections can all impact visibility. A large commercial-grade display like this is built to remain clear and readable under varying lighting conditions, ensuring consistent visibility for everyone in the room. From a design perspective, the focus is minimal and functional. Instead of flashy aesthetics, the device is built to blend into professional environments. Wall mounting options allow it to become a fixed part of the meeting space, turning it into a permanent collaboration hub rather than a temporary setup. One of the biggest advantages of this approach is workflow simplification. When all tools are combined into one system, organizations reduce dependency on multiple devices and software layers. This not only improves reliability but also reduces training requirements for employees. Once users understand the interface, They can quickly adapt to the system without technical barriers. However, there are important considerations before adopting such a solution. Since it is a tightly integrated ecosystem, compatibility with existing tools and workflows should be evaluated carefully. Organizations may need to adapt their meeting processes to fully benefit from the system's capabilities. Cost is also a significant factor. This type of device is positioned as an enterprise investment rather than a consumer product. Its value is realized over time through improved efficiency, reduced meeting delays, and better collaboration outcomes. For organizations that run frequent meetings or rely heavily on hybrid communication, the return on investment becomes more meaningful. Scalability is another point to consider. While a system like this is powerful in dedicated meeting rooms, it works best when integrated into a broader digital workplace strategy. It should complement existing tools and infrastructure rather than exist in isolation. Ultimately, the purpose of this kind of technology is not to add complexity, but to remove it. By combining display, computing, communication, and collaboration tools into a single system, it reduces the number of moving parts involved in a meeting. That leads to faster start times, smoother communication, and more productive sessions. When implemented effectively, it changes how teams interact. Meetings become less about managing technology and more about focusing on ideas. Remote participants feel more engaged, in-room collaboration becomes more fluid, and overall efficiency improves. But the real impact depends on how it is used. If it becomes the central hub of daily collaboration, it can significantly enhance productivity. If underutilized, it simply remains a high-end display with unused potential. In essence, this category of smart meeting system represents a shift in workplace design. It moves away from fragmented tools toward unified environments where collaboration happens naturally and without interruption. For modern hybrid workplaces, that shift is becoming increasingly important.